Yeah, hi, Brian, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your CD for you. All's working as it should be. I noticed that someone's changed the laser in there at some stage. The laser that you had in there was, not a good one. So, yeah, I've given it a clean fit. It's in pretty good condition, to be honest with you. I don't know where the rest of the bits are, because you got you got the cover here, so you should have a black cover or half a black cover on there, and you want to be, just be very, very careful with it. Okay, when you're putting it back in, just be really careful. Don't touch that laser, because that laser's really exposed, and all you got to do is push it or something like that, and it won't work. And it's very easy to do, easy to catch. So just be really careful when you do that. But as you can see, it is fully working. I'm just going to go up in the tracks. Right, so I'm going to skip to track 10. And you can see this part here moving up and down. So let me go to track 12. See that? You can see that moving. Track 13. So what I'm going to do, you watch that move now. I'm going to go all the way back to track 2. Oh, track 2. There you go, and so you can see it all moving in and out. Let's just turn it up. There you go. You got a 6-month warranty, parts and labour. Any problems, just give me a shout. We won't give you any headaches. But you know what I mean, it should work for you for a very long time to come yet. So have plenty of fun, and thank you very much.
My head speaks a language.